Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to set up Google Family Link on iPhone. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the Chrome browser on your mobile device and search for Google Family Link. Now an ad will be displayed at the top. Simply ignore it and access the website below. On this website, tap on the Sign In button. And you will be asked if your child has a Google account or not. Select No and then start creating a Google account. It is really simple to create a Google account and takes about 10 minutes max. Once the account is created, checkmark these two checkboxes and then select I agree. On the next step, enter password of the parent's Google account, select next, and then you will be redirected to the Google Family Link webpage automatically. Here you will be able to connect and control the usage of any device that has this account logged in. So that's basically how you can set up Google Family Link on iPhone. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.